Hey everyone, as you can tell from the title, I am doing a review. I got contacted by this company to try out their product, so I am going to tell you all about them. So the company's is Firmoo or Firmoo, however you want to say it, .com, and it says it right on the pouch here. So what this is a place where you can order frames and glasses from. It's a really cute case. Autumn really likes this case, by the way. So I ordered me another pair of reading glasses because I forgot my prescription, so I just got some reading glasses, which were awesome. So this is the inside of the case, and you get one of these little lens cloths in here with the company's name, their website, and email addresses on their lens cloth. And so the glasses come in a little bag like this, and I got these frames because I thought they were they put me in a mind of like something retro, so that's why I got these frames. But check it out, and they're pretty awesome. I like these. I really like them, and they're going to help. They fit perfectly. It's really strange when you try to order something online and you're trying to get it perfectly, especially with like glasses like this and prescription glasses. But everything you need is on the website. There is a link below. They have a promotion going on, so you can check that link out, get you a great discount on some reading glasses, sunglasses, prescription glasses. They have great prices. There is several kids in my house, including me, that wears glasses, and with teenagers, you know, things break all the time. With little kids, you know, glasses get broken. So that's really awesome when we are out of our insurance coverage and we're looking to replace a pair of glasses for one of the kids. We could just get the prescription if we don't already have it from the eye doctor and just order these frames from this website. I really like them. They have great communication, so I totally recommend. And you guys know that I don't just do things just because. If I'm going to do a review, if I'm going to do something where the company contacts me and then they want me to do a review, I'm not going to do it if I don't believe in it. So I am totally in love with this company. I'm totally in love with these frames. And when I go back to the eye doctor, when I get my prescription, I'm going to order me some other frames because I am just as clumsy as my kids. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Check out that link below if you're in need of some glasses. Go check it out. They have great prices, like I said before. So yes, my review, I'm giving this company a thumbs up. I'm giving the glasses a thumbs up. Tell me what you think of my new frames, guys. I absolutely love the design on these frames. So until next time.